Antoinette and Jessica, the hearing is underway right now, and the court is still hearing the first motion of the day, which is a defense motion over the defense attempt to use a third-party defense, as I should say, a third-party culprit defense in this case. Karen Read and her attorneys are seen here arriving shortly before the start of the 11 a.m. hearing, greeted as always by her supporters. Inside the courtroom, Judge Beverly Cannoni has been hearing arguments so she could decide whether to allow the defense to argue in Karen Read's retrial that someone else killed her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, on January 29, 2022 in Canton. Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan argues the defense has failed to meet its burden to prove animosity, motive, and/or opportunity among any of the three potential third-party culprits, each of whom either was at the property where O'Keefe was found or may have been there.
At some point, the defendant herself said that they knew who the third-party culprit was, and recently the position of the defense has shifted that they don't know and don't need to know.
There is ample evidence tending to show that somebody else caused John O'Keefe's death. In our opposition, we have cataloged the evidence against each of the potential third-party culprits that we named the last time we were in court. Each one of them had a motive and an opportunity to harm John O'Keefe.
We also expect to hear arguments today about a prosecution motion to access text messages and emails between defense attorney David Yannetti and Karen Read in the 5 days between when John O'Keefe's body was found and Read's arrest. Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan believes the communications will show Read's, quote, consciousness of guilt, and he argues that Read has waived her right to attorney-client privilege. Jury selection in Read's retrial begins 1 week from today. Reporting live in Dedham, Todd Kiskevich, WCVB News Center 5.
All right, Todd, thank you. Let's give you